welcome to today's episode of our weekly magazine program, Youth Folio, which takes you on a visual trip across the 8 amazingly beautiful states of the Northeast every Thursday at 4:30 p.m. on DD Northeast. We have a long lineup of interesting stories for you today, so let's get cracking.
Tripura celebrates String Festival to usher in New Year. Thousands of people throng the Great Guwahati Festival. Nagaland prays for peace after clashes in Zuneboto. Artists of Bangladesh and India hold workshop in Tripura. Many schools of Assam include environmental studies in curriculum. Manipur felicitates model achievers. While people in the cities of the Northeast celebrated the coming of New Year with singing and dancing Western rock numbers, the tribal people living in remote rural areas too did not fail to welcome the coming of 2014. In Tripura, thousands of people braved the bone-chilling cold and mist and congregated at Besyamanipara in the Gomati district to raise their candles together at midnight and celebrate their indigenous New Year, the String Festival as it is called. This was the 1424th String Festival, celebrated since the ancient times of the tribal king of the state, Jajurufa. The festival includes much merrymaking and cultural performances, most of which begin after 8 p.m. Today, it is due to peace in the state that people can dare to come out of their homes so late in the night and enjoy festivals like these. People from different communities of Assam and other states of the Northeast rubbed shoulders with each other and enjoyed to the hilt during the 4-day-long Great Guwahati Festival. Held from the 28th of December, this novel street party to usher in the new year was celebrated on the lines of Street Carnival of Sydney Festival or New York Festival in Guwahati's Fancy Bazaar area. The jamboree had stalls after stalls of food, fun and games, glittering artificial flowers and other items on sale and so on. Promoted by the Assam Tourism, District Administration and Guwahati Metro Development Authority, the success of the carnival has made the state government consider making this an annual event.
It's a great Guwahati festival welcoming 2014. It has been done to welcome 2014. Whatsoever has happened in the past, people should forget that, and with the feeling of brotherhood, they should start the new year 2014. If you can see here, people from all different caste, creed, class are here. There is no entry fees, so everyone can come here and enjoy. You can see people from different classes of society, and not only from different parts of Guwahati, but not only from different parts of Assam, but in fact from Meghalaya, Manipur, people are coming to enjoy this festival. So it's to create a unity amongst people, among citizens. They should come here, enjoy. There are different kinds of food stalls, authentic Assamese food, Manipuri food, Naga food, vegetarian, non-vegetarian.
The recent clashes between residents of Zuneboto in Nagaland and inmates of the Ghatasi designated camp of NSCN-IM has vitiated the happy atmosphere of the state and embarrassed the leaders who are present in Delhi for peace talks. NSCN-IM cadres have time and again broken ceasefire rules, making the central government consider ways of taking strict action. The clashes, which started on the 28th of December this time, following the molestation of 2 young local girls by NSCN-IM cadres on December 21st, was followed by shooting by NSCN-IM cadres, which led to 2 deaths and several injuries to the local people, who thereafter drove away the underground cadres and put the camp on fire. People of Nagaland want an end to such violence.
Actually, it's natural to be angry, when any particular communities, women are targeted on by people. But I can't talk on based on a particular community. I don't want to talk on that. But I think the best way to answer wouldn't be through violence. Like, we can take up some protest, bring out social awareness, and we can go for rallies or protest and all. I think that will be the best way, because violence against violence, that wouldn't be a good thing.
Artists from Bangladesh interacted with artists, writers, poets and art students of Tripura and West Bengal in a recent 3-day-long art workshop held in the Nazrul Kalakshetra of Agartala, Tripura. Apart from giving lectures on various aspects of art, the renowned artists from both Bangladesh and India made paintings on the spot and gave tips to youngsters studying art. The artists were of the opinion that such interactions would not only help the artists of both the countries, but would bring about greater love, fraternity and bonding between people of the 2 neighboring friendly countries.
এইরকম একটি চিত্র কর্মশালার আয়োজন অত্যন্ত আনন্দজনক এবং আমি মনে করি ভারত বাংলাদেশ এই দুটি বন্ধুপ্রতিম রাষ্ট্রের শিল্পীদের এই যে আদান প্রদান শিল্পের মাধ্যমে এটা 2 দেশের বন্ধুত্বকে আরো গাঢ়তর করবে।